Two companies are quietly controlling the future of AI, and most people don't even realize it. A silent war for the future is underway. It is not fought with armies or on battlefields. It is fought in data centers and code repositories. Two companies stand at the epicenter of this monumental shift. Nvidia, OpenAI. One builds the physical heart of artificial intelligence. The other crafts its digital mind. Most people use their creations daily, often without realizing the immense power these two entities wield. Their competition and cooperation are shaping the very fabric of our emerging world, creating a new and invisible infrastructure that will define the 21st century. This is not a simple story of corporate rivalry. It is a fundamental struggle for control over the most transformative technology in human history. The stakes are impossibly high. The company that leads this revolution will not just dominate a market, it will influence global economics, culture, and the very definition of intelligence itself. Nvidia provides the raw computational power, the brute force necessary for AI to learn and to think. OpenAI provides the sophisticated models, the elegant software that turns that power into tools we use. The tension between them is the central drama of the AI age. Think of it as the ultimate showdown. Nvidia's journey to the center of the AI universe was almost accidental. The company rose to prominence by building GPUs for the video game industry. These chips were masterpieces of parallel processing, designed to render millions of polygons for realistic, immersive virtual worlds. Gamers demanded speed and graphical fidelity, and Nvidia delivered. The architecture could handle thousands of simple calculations simultaneously, radically different from CPUs that do a few complex tasks sequentially. This design choice would prove revolutionary in ways its creators hadn't imagined. It became the key that unlocked a new world. The AI revolution began quietly in research labs. Scientists realized parallel processing was perfect for training neural networks. Training involves astronomical repetitive math. CPUs would take ages. GPUs could tear through it with astonishing speed. Gaming hardware became the essential tool for AI development. Suddenly, Nvidia wasn't just powering virtual battles. It was powering artificial minds. Demand for its hardware exploded almost overnight. Today, its dominance in AI hardware is nearly absolute. Its GPUs run inside the vast humming data centers powering modern AI. From the largest tech corporations to the most ambitious startups, nearly everyone at the cutting edge relies on Nvidia's silicon. This gives the company incredible power. It controls the supply of AI's most critical resource: price, availability, performance. These dictate the pace of innovation across the field, a kingdom built on scarcity and demand. While Nvidia built the engines, OpenAI built the consciousness that runs on them. The company's mission was audacious from the start: to ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. It focused not on hardware, but on large language models, intricate software architectures. These aren't fixed-rule programs. They're vast networks trained on staggering amounts of data. They learn patterns, context, and nuance, generate human-like text, answer complex questions, write code, and create art. The world truly woke up with the release of ChatGPT. It was a watershed moment. For the first time, millions of ordinary people could have a direct, conversational experience. The effect was electric. The fastest-growing app in history, capturing public imagination. No longer just academic, it became a daily tool, a presence you could interact with, a ghost in the machine that could talk back. OpenAI's power doesn't come from selling chips, but from creating the most sought-after AI experiences. Its influence is design, user experience, and agenda setting. Powerful, yet easy to use, it built a formidable brand and a massive user base. Developers flock to its APIs, fueling a vibrant ecosystem. Their relationship is the central paradox of the AI era, a profound codependence. OpenAI can't run massive models without tens of thousands of Nvidia GPUs. ChatGPT exists because of raw compute. The software dream rests on hardware reality. Every bigger model means a bigger chip order, feeding hardware growth. Nvidia's valuation is tied to what software leaders do with its chips. OpenAI is the killer app. Software drives demand. hardware unlocks capability. Yet beneath this symbiosis, a silent fight for leverage. Nvidia plays gatekeeper. Who gets chips, when, and at what price? It can steer markets, accelerate allies, slow rivals. OpenAI commands brand and mindshare, making hardware feel commoditized. It seeks less dependency, more efficient algorithms, and custom silicon partnerships. The equilibrium is fragile. Power is in constant flux. Algorithmic breakthroughs could slash GPU needs. Viable competitors would weaken a chokehold, lower costs. Or one side absorbs the other's role. End-to-end behemoths emerge. The silent war becomes open. Winners will shape safety, access, and capability. Centralization, dependency, control. Enjoyed this? Subscribe for more deep dive AI videos.